Today I'm putting my money where my mouth is, showing you my boldest investment move live, right in front of you. This isn't just talk, it's action you can watch and learn from. Making smart investment moves is crucial in today's fast-paced market. With so many options available, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and make costly mistakes. But don't worry. I'm here to guide you through the process and share strategies that really work. The truth is, investing has become more important than ever. With the economy constantly evolving, it's essential to stay ahead of the curve and make informed decisions about your money. Whether you're an experienced investor or just starting out, understanding today's market trends and opportunities is the key to success. Investing might feel intimidating, but it's not impossible. By doing your research, setting clear goals, and staying patient, you can make smart investment moves that pay off in the long run. Let us dive into the common mistakes investors make and the challenges they face in navigating today's economic landscape. One of the biggest mistakes investors make is skipping the research. Many jump into investments without fully understanding the risks and rewards. This often leads to costly mistakes and financial losses. Another challenge is staying updated with constant market shifts and trends. Current economic environment is complex, and it's easy to get caught off guard. From interest rate hikes to global conflicts, these factors directly impact your portfolio. Many investors also struggle with emotions, letting fear and greed drive their decisions. Fear often pushes people to sell low and buy high, the exact opposite of a winning strategy. Greed, on the other hand, tempts investors into risky plays that may collapse. To avoid these traps, you need a clear strategy and well-defined goals. Another overlooked mistake is chasing hype. Investors often get pulled into trending assets because everyone else is doing it only to buy at the peak. Avoiding herd mentality is key. Sometimes the best opportunities are found in quiet, undervalued investments. So what are your options? Stocks, real estate, and emerging markets are just a few opportunities worth exploring. Stocks let you own part of a company with strong potential for growth. Real estate provides tangible assets and long-term rental income. Emerging markets offer exposure to fast-growing economies with the chance for higher returns. But each path carries risks. Stocks are volatile. Real estate demands capital, and emerging markets can be unpredictable. Another solid path is dividend investing. Companies that consistently pay dividends not only provide regular income, but also indicate stability and strong financial health. Reinvesting those dividends over time can multiply your wealth significantly. That is why you must weigh the pros and cons of each option and align them with your financial goals and risk tolerance. This way, you can create a balanced, diversified portfolio to safeguard your wealth and drive growth. What's the smartest investment move you can make today? Based on my research and experience, I believe index funds are one of the best strategies. They provide diversification, low fees, and steady long-term growth. By investing in index funds, you own a slice of the entire market, not just a few individual stocks. This reduces risk while boosting long-term potential. Plus, index funds are cheaper to manage, so more of your returns stay in your pocket. Data backs this up. Studies consistently show index funds outperform most actively managed funds. For example, Vanguard found index funds beat actively managed ones in 80% of cases over a 10-year period. But remember, index funds aren't the only way forward. Combining them with other strategies like ETFs focused on specific sectors, technology, healthcare, renewable energy can give you both broad safety and targeted growth opportunities. Recapping, we've explored the importance of making smart investment decisions, avoiding common mistakes, and understanding available opportunities. We've also highlighted why index funds stand out as one of the smartest moves today. In conclusion, making informed choices with your investments is critical to achieving financial freedom. By setting goals, researching thoroughly, and staying disciplined, you'll put yourself in the best position to succeed. Investing isn't just about money, it's about building security and freedom for your future. Every decision you make today lays the foundation for the life you'll live tomorrow. Think of investing like planting seeds. Some grow fast, some take longer, but with consistency and care, they eventually create a garden of wealth that supports you for years. And here's the best part. Your journey doesn't have to be perfect. Even small, consistent contributions build momentum. The earlier you start, the greater the impact over time. Remember, no investor gets it right 100% of the time. Mistakes are part of the journey, but what matters most is learning from them and staying committed to your plan. Finally, keep in mind that patience is your greatest weapon. Wealth doesn't grow overnight, but steady, smart investments can change your financial life over time. Stay consistent, stay focused, and trust the process. If you've had investment experiences or questions, share them in the comments below. I'd love to connect with you and provide more insights. And don't forget, check out my other videos for even more financial tips and strategies.